Why HappyLocate recommends IATA-approved crates for pets. When it comes to your pet's safety during travel, nothing matters more than choosing the right crate. That's why we trust IATA-approved crates, the global standard for pet travel. An IATA crate meets your pet's travel requirements in every way. From size and ventilation to secure locking systems, every detail is designed for comfort and safety. These crates meet strict airline regulations, so you can travel worry-free knowing your furry friend is in the safest, most compliant carrier possible. Made from highly durable materials, an IATA crate can handle long journeys, temperature changes, and even the occasional bump, keeping your pet safe every step of the way. And here's the best part. Excited. They're internationally certified, meaning your crate is recognized and accepted by airlines across the globe. So whether it's a short domestic trip or an international adventure, an IATA crate ensures your pet travels in safety, comfort, and style. Choose the crate that meets global standards, because your pet deserves nothing less than the best. Contact us today to get your pet travel ready.